Why Asia is quietly replacing the West. What if I told you the world isn't just changing? It's shifting away from the West quietly, but fast. No headline screaming it, no sudden collapse, just a slow, powerful shift towards Asia. For decades, the global economy was dominated by the US and Europe. But today, the center of gravity is moving east. Asia now produces over 50% of global GDP growth. Countries like China, India, Vietnam, and Indonesia are becoming the engines of the global economy. It's not just growth, it's speed. Entire cities are being built in years, while Western infrastructures can take decades. So look around you. Your phone, your clothes, your electronics, chances are they are made in Asia. Asia dominates in manufacturing, shipping, and global trade routes. China alone is the world's largest exporter, and Southeast Asia is rising fast as companies shift production to Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia. This isn't temporary, it's a complete rewiring of the global supply chain. While many Western countries debate, Asia is building. High-speed rail networks, smart cities, massive ports. China has over 25,000 miles of high-speed rails. Cities like Shanghai and Singapore feel like they're 10 to 20 years ahead. This isn't just development, it's a vision of the future happening now. Here's the part most people don't notice. Power isn't just military, it's trade, technology, and influence. Asia is forming stronger regional alliances, expanding trade networks, and increasing global influences. And it's happening without confrontation, just steady, strategic growth. The West isn't disappearing, but the world is no longer centered around it. And the future? It's becoming more Asian. And the biggest shift of our lifetime might already be happening. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, also hit that notification bell for more vlogs, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.